Tired of dealing with drips and drops? Time to get hands-on. Welcome to your ultimate guide for quick plumbing fixes. First up, the classic leaky tap. Just tighten the valve under the sink. Easy, right? Next, unclogging a drain. Grab a plunger and cover the drain hole. Push and pull until the water starts flowing. Voila! Now for a running toilet. Check the flapper inside the tank. If it's worn out, replace it. No more wasted water. Lastly, fixing a shower head. Unscrew it, give it a good clean, and screw back on. Simple as that. These quick tricks can save you time and money. So, roll up your sleeves and give it a go. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips. Happy fixing!